The snow-capped Himalayas on the right, verdant alpine meadows on the left, and a thick forest on the background mystically envelop Madmaheshwar. This town is completed with picturesque views, the ages-old Madmaheshwar Temple, and shepherd huts and village dwellings. The temple's building design is traditional North Indian, surrounded by alpine meadows and a thick forest, creating a mesmerizing backdrop. As the sun rises over the Garhwal Himalayas, the narrative delves into the history of the Madmaheshwar Temple. Built in traditional North Indian style, this sacred abode is dedicated to Lord Shiva, a cornerstone of the revered Panch Kedar temples in Hindu mythology. The documentary explores the spiritual significance of the sacred lingam inside the temple, believed to be the place where Lord Shiva's heart landed after the Kurukshetra war, as described in Hindu mythology. Devotees are seen offering prayers in the serene sanctum, while the Garhwali architecture harmonizes with the surrounding natural beauty. The documentary captures the tranquil setting of Madmaheshwar Temple, nestled at 3,490 meters above sea level. It becomes evident why this holy site is cherished for providing pilgrims and travelers alike with spiritual respite amidst the Himalayan peaks. Madmaheshwar Temple is introduced as the second temple in the revered Panch Kedar chain. The narrative unfolds the story of the Pandavas seeking Lord Shiva's forgiveness and Lord Shiva's unique manifestation as a bull in Madmaheshwar. The camera explores the scenic views around the temple, showcasing the picturesque town of Madmaheshwar, complete with shepherd huts, village dwellings, and awe-inspiring views of the Himalayas. Practical information is provided for travelers, detailing the various transportation options to reach Madmaheshwar. The documentary covers air travel to Dehradun, train options via Haridwar, and the motorable road journey from major Uttarakhand cities. The documentary briefly touches upon the cultural aspects surrounding Madmaheshwar, offering glimpses of the local way of life and traditions that blend seamlessly with the spiritual ambience. As the sun sets behind the Himalayas, the documentary concludes with the lingering image of Madmaheshwar Temple, a haven where spirituality intertwines with the natural wonders of the Garhwal Himalayas. With a final thought, the documentary bids farewell to Madmaheshwar, leaving viewers with a deep appreciation for the spiritual and cultural richness embedded in this Himalayan gem.